Hi and welcome. Today I will show you how to change this piece. Like you can see, it goes down alone. It's not working well like this new piece. You have a spring inside. Let's see. And this one is not working well. To change this piece, you don't have to close the water. You have just to disconnect this one downstairs. First of all, we disconnect this pipe. I will put something under for the water. To disconnect this piece, it's quite easy. You have to press here inside, both sides. And then you pull it out like this, you see. Now we have some water, but it's just the water that we have in the pipe. All right. Now it's disconnected. Now we have to work upstairs. Here behind we have a small hole. If we go inside to this hole, then we have to press and then pull out the piece completely. Now it's on. Now, to change the piece, we have first of all to remove this plastic piece here. Now with a screwdriver, we have to make this piece a little bit large, and then we can change it. And here you can see the spring is not working anymore. You see the spring is here inside, and this one is not working good. Now we have to install the new piece. Right. A little bit more. Okay. Now you can see the spring is working good. And the last piece is this one. Okay. Now we can install it on our Quooker faucet. Here you can see the electronic of the Quooker kitchen tap. This one you can also change if something wrong with your kitchen tap. You can change also this piece and the cartridge that's inside here for normally hot and cold water. Now to make everything right, this side it should be here. We put the pipe down. Right. Now we check where the piece is. The right side. Right. Now press it down and should be work now. Now we can connect the pipe downstairs and then watch if everything's working good. To connect these two pieces, you have just press it inside. Now it's okay. Now we can make a check. I will use first hot water Then I will try the cooled water. Press, hold and turn. It's working also. We have maybe some air in the pipes, but it's working. And now I will check the mineral water. And it works also. It works everything perfectly. I hope that I could help you with this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please write down in the comments. Thank you so much.